In this demo, we're going to start with a person class that we left off with last time and begin adding instance variable data to it. This demo is going to be very short and sweet because there are only two steps involved here. One easy one and one hard one. Let's start with a simple step first. Let's add one instance variable to the pseudocode template. So what we'll do is we'll add the first instance variable in our API. And instance variables are always declared as private. The API says that it's a string and its name is first name. And just for good measure, we'll add some documentation to it in line to show what this is for. And that's all there is to it. Now, a couple things to notice. Notice that the instance variables are near the top of the class, and in particular, notice that this instance variable is external to any method, which is quite a departure from what we've seen in prior programs. But this is where instance variables belong. So as always, we'll save this, compile it, no problems. So that was the easy step. Here's the hard step. The hard step is resisting the temptation to add all of the instance variables at this time. Again, we're going to be taking an incremental development approach in this file. So we're just going to start out with one instance variable, and we're gradually going to build out all of the methods needed to support this one instance variable. Then we're going to come back around and add the other instance variables, and at that time we'll see how easy it is to clone a lot of these methods once we have the first one in place. So just as a development practice, resist this strong urge to try to put all of them in place at once, and start simple and just implement one. So then what we'll do now is we will save this. We'll snapshot this off as PersonPhase2.java, and we will save anyway. And now we've got a second incremental development waypoint that we can always go back to if we mess something up in the next step. So this is all there is to adding an instance variable to our class.